Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. This is out of a 2024 X5 M60i. You're going to need one 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below. I'm also going to be using a flat tip screwdriver. You can do the process without the screwdriver, but I think it makes it easier. So on this back portion here, you want to press this button, and this piece kind of comes down, this silver piece. Next, this is actually how you access your mechanical key in the event you need that. So this little piece right here is a tray that pops out. I'm going to be using a screwdriver, but you definitely can use your fingernails, but I think a screwdriver is just a little bit easier. Just to pry that out. There's your battery. Take that out. You can see it's positive side. The new battery goes in positive side facing down. And slide that tray back in. And this simply clicks in like so. And you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.